So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on change advanced power settings. You want to expand low battery notification. In your case, you're going to be having low battery notification. You want to expand that. Make sure that you have the on battery option on, and make sure that you have the plugged in option also on. Once you do all of that, click on OK. See if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space power diagnostic. And then click on enter. And now this will come up, the power troubleshooter. Click on next. It's now going to start detecting issues. If it finds anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to select restore default settings for this plan. And then click on yes. For the next method, go to search and type in notifications and actions. Click on it. And now once we're here, make sure that you have notifications turned on and that you have do not disturb turned off. Now you want to scroll down. If you have anything here to do with battery or power settings, then make sure you have it turned on.